Below there. I'm glad you want to learn about intuition and more specifically, how to use it in the real world. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be learning what it is, how to use it, how to practice and develop your intuition skills, and more. If you like it, please share the video and let your friends know. Who knows, maybe one of them, or even you, may have more power than you know. Let's begin. What is intuition? This is not so easy to explain, but it's sort of that sixth feeling that we have. Kind of when you feel someone looking at you, or when you know something is going to happen. Intuition is also that very first thought that your mind has. As you know, humans only use 10% of their brain. But this is not exactly true. In reality, we use 100% of our brains. 10% is our conscious brain, and the other 90% is the unconscious brain that does everything else for you without you even noticing. Sort of like a miracle. It makes you breathe. It catches light and recognizes all the different colors. It maintains balance on your body while you're walking, and even sending different chemical rushes to your body depending on the situation. It is believed that that subconscious part of your brain knows a lot more than you may think. And that is what we call intuition. It's normally the first thought that comes to your mind. All right, now that you have an idea of what intuition is, how can we practice it and apply it in our lives? Okay, I'll do my best to share what I know with you. Practicing our intuition is simple, but not easy. And by any means. It requires consistency, like anything else in life. There are some practice exercises I will talk about later in this video. But first, let me tell you, besides practice exercises, you will need lots of meditation and mind work. You see, the problem is that before we can fill the glass with water, we have to empty it. And it's the same with our brains. If you are 20 years old and watching this video, you have 20 years of going to school, watching TV, and basically learning and programming your brain to think according to this concept of life that you have seen before your eyes. 20 years is a long time. Imagine 35 or 65 years. That is why meditation will be a very important tool for you. It will be your tool to learn to empty and open your mind. That is why kids under 12 years of age have a way easier learning path than an adult when it comes to intuition. Their minds simply aren't as filled as adults, who sometimes have to worry about rent payments or relationships, etc. There are some schools that teach intuition practices. My favorite one is Vibravision in Utah, where you can learn, practice exercises, and develop your senses so much that you can even begin to see without your eyes, just by using your third eye or intuition. They've also been teaching the blind to use these techniques in order to see again. Yes, you heard that right. Talk about application in real life. It's almost like superpowers. Along are other schools in Mexico and in Germany that have also taught blind people to see again using intuition. If you are wondering how else could you apply it to the real world, well, think about pretty much anything, any decision that you are about to take. Wouldn't it be great to know how to access your intuition to make the decision? Or for example, if you are a Forex exchange trader, or you want to make a bet, or even play the lottery, there are lots of ways you could use this. Or perhaps if you are a healer, there is a young girl out there by the name of Yagamata who can allegedly read your body and see any problems you may be having, and telling you how you should fix it. You should check it out yourself. I'll leave the video in the description box. We all have a third eye, therefore we all have intuition. However, it is up to us to develop this ability that we possess. Wouldn't you agree that it's a good idea to use all of your potential? The good part of all this is that the first step towards your success on this is being aware. And you already are if you are watching this video. Help others become aware of the potential that we all have by sharing and liking this video. Subscribe to our channel for more weekly content.